Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a What I Ate Today Spring Edition. So I've done two of these already. I've done a fall edition and a winter edition. So I'm just going to be showing you what I'm eating today, and these are all recipes that I've really been loving lately. If you guys are interested in checking out the other videos in this little mini series, then I will link them up here and in the description box below. But that is everything I have to say for now, so let's get into the video.
You'll find the glimmer in your eye.
This is my current favorite post-workout smoothie. So it is just one ripe banana, some Vega vanilla protein powder, chia seeds, chocolate almond milk, some frozen strawberries, and a few ice cubes, and then I just blend it up smooth in my Vitamix, and it is so refreshing. I love the combination of chocolate and strawberry.
See, I tried, but I could just never decide. It always gotta feel right by me. Everything you wanted from the start was always in your heart.
So this is my new favorite way to cook rice. I basically boil it like I do for pasta. So I just boil some water and then I add in a cup of rice and boil it until it's cooked. And then in the meantime, I made my seitan crumbles that I showed the recipe for in my takeout video. You can see just kind of like a quick version of me making it here, but if you want kind of like the full recipe and explanation, then you can watch the takeout video because I go through it in more detail there. So then I just took that out of the pan for the time being because I wanted to steam some veggies in that same pan. So I just added a little bit of water and then added carrots, red bell peppers, and mushrooms, and then just put a lid on that to steam. Then I added in some frozen defrosted green beans, and I added the seitan back in along with the sauce. This sauce is my sweet and spicy maple sriracha sauce. The recipe for this will be linked in the description box as well, so you can make that, but it's literally just water, sriracha, and maple syrup. It's pretty easy. And then I just added in some spinach and sesame seeds at the end. For dinner, I boiled some pasta. I totally just eyeball this every time, and somehow I end up making the perfect amount. In the meantime, I boiled a potato and carrot, and then when that was cooked, I put it into a blender with some almond milk, a scoop of cashew cheese that I had left over in my fridge. If you want a recipe for this, I can link it in the description box below as well. You guys have seen me make it before in previous videos. And then I just added a little bit of lemon juice, garlic powder, and salt, and blended it up to a super creamy, cheesy sauce. In a frying pan, I just added a little bit of oil along with some onions and mushrooms and cooked that until the onions were translucent. It took just a couple minutes. And then I added in the sauce and the cooked pasta. And then at the very end, I added in a big handful of chopped spinach, and then I finished it off with a little bit of vegan mozzarella shreds. This is the Earth Island brand. It is so good, and a sprinkle of black pepper. For a treat lately, I have been obsessed with making brownies. I finally found my favorite way to make them. So I use this Bob's Red Mill egg replacer, and I make a vegan egg with that and just set it aside. This is the brownie mix I use. It is just the Duncan Hines Chewy Fudge Brownie Mix, and I just put that in a bowl. Follow the directions on the back. So you just add some oil and some water, and then you add in your vegan egg replaced egg, stir it all together, put it in a baking pan, and bake it for the amount of time that it says. I actually find it usually takes a few minutes less, but I guess it will depend on the size of pan you use. These are so fudgy, so chewy, and just the perfect chocolatey dessert when that is what you are craving.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all on Sunday. Bye!